G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video we're going to be installing a brand new idler arm into Zach's legendary Hilux. It's been knocked back from registration because there's a slight amount of movement in the idler arm, so the idler arm must be replaced to get the car back up on registration. So let's get started. Okay, we've got the new one here. Hopefully it's the right one or we're in deep trouble. Well, looking at it so far, it looks like it's the correct one. So, just need to whip the old one out and put this one in. Okay, we've got 3 bolts here. Should be able to get them with the rattle gun and a spanner on the other side of them because they go all the way through the chassis rail. And then just pop this joint here, remove that cotter pin and the bolt, pop the joint, it should pop up. It should be a pretty quick and easy job. Now I just have 3 bolts here to rattle gun out. I'll have to get a spanner on the other side to hold them from spinning because it's a nut and bolt job. It's just a nut and bolt on each side, so take the bolt out, the nut and the washer will fall out, and that's how easy that section is. Okay, 3 bolts, 3 washers and 3 nuts hold the whole assembly on. Okay, the new assembly, the shorter of the bolts was at the top. Pop it in like that. Put the washers and nuts on the other side of that and I'll tighten this section back up. Okay, we're on the downhill stretch now. Just pop this in here. I've got a new cotter pin ready to go. Give this thing here a little bit of a twist to get it to go in. Like that there. Beautiful. Put the nut back on. Oh, I might put it in that way. That way it's easier. Bend that around like so. Beautiful. Well, that's it guys. New idler arms installed in Zach's vehicle. So that's a quick and easy job. Nothing to be frightened of in any way. If you like this kind of thing, so consider subscribing. And you can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. See you in the next video.